US President Donald Trump has said he's thinking about visiting Ireland for a professional golf tournament this autumn. Around 70,000 people are expected to attend this year's Irish Open at the Trump International Golf Links in Doonbeg in County Clare from September 10th to 13th. Our Washington correspondent Jackie Fox is standing by and she has more on this. Jackie, he's been teasing this idea of a visit for some time now, but it is looking increasingly likely that he's considering a visit to Doonbeg.
That's right, Tommy. Speculation has been growing that this could happen, that President Trump would visit Ireland for the Irish Open. He's a huge golf lover, as we know, and of course this event is happening at his place in Doonbeg. It is something that he mentioned before. I asked him on St. Patrick's Day, would he visit Ireland for the Irish Open? He said he would love to. It would be an honour to do so. Then he mentioned it again last night during this pre-recorded video that was played during July 4th celebrations at the US Ambassador's residence in Dublin. Take a listen to what he had to say.
One of the best, most beautiful golf courses anywhere in the world. You know that. I won't mention his name, but maybe I should, actually. But we have a place that's so top, and we have the Irish Open going to be there, and we're going to have a tremendous celebration. I think I'm going to come over and I'm going to see it, and I'm going to watch, and we're going to watch Rory and all the great players. That'll be something very, very special.
So nothing is set in stone here, but if you do the maths, President Trump would be going to New York for the 25th anniversary of 9/11. So it looks like this is something that could take place the weekend of the 12th, 13th of September, possibly into Monday the 14th. If it's going to be an official visit, you'll have a stopover in Dublin. But with any visit by a US president, it's going to be high security. We remember that from Joe Biden's visit just back in 2023. And how is that going to work when you have 70,000 people in Doonbeg for the Irish Open? We'll have to wait and see. So for now, Donald Trump is strongly indicating that he wants to visit, but nothing confirmed yet, Tommy.
As you say, Jackie, we'll wait and see. Jackie Fox in Washington, thanks indeed.